Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Let us introduce ourselves for group 9, class 911. And my name is Zainul Azwar.
My name is Robi. My name is Muhammad Alvan Abidar. My name is Muhammad Dr. Firmansyah.
Heat the milk to 80 to 90 Celsius for 10 to 50 minutes to kill pathogenic bacteria. Cool to 40 to 50 Celsius.
Add yogurt culture or probiotic to the colored milk cereal. Step 3. Fermentation. Pour the milk and bacteria mixture into a sterile container. Store in a warm place for 6 to 8 hours for fermentation.
Step 4. After fermentation is complete, store the yogurt in the refrigerator to cool and stop the fermentation process.
Step 5. Serve. The yogurt is now ready to serve.